Ever wondered what separates millionaire investors from the rest? Intrigued to find out? The world of millionaire investors is shrouded in mystery, a secret society of sorts, where success isn't down to luck, but a series of well-crafted habits. The difference between them and the rest of us isn't just the size of their bank account. It's the way they think, the way they act, and the way they approach their investments. It's a mindset that's been honed over time, shaped by experience, and driven by ambition. Understanding these habits, these secrets of the trade, is more than just interesting. It's essential for anyone looking to emulate their success. It's about learning from the best to be the best. And that's exactly what we're here to do today. So, are you ready to step into this secret world and decode the habits that make millionaire investors tick? Stay tuned as we unveil the 5 game-changing habits of millionaire investors. Habit number 1, embrace risk. Millionaire investors don't shy away from it, they embrace it. But how? In the world of investment, risk is often seen as a fearsome beast, an unpredictable entity that threatens to swallow your capital whole. However, successful investors view risk differently. They see it not as a beast, but a powerful steed that can be harnessed to gallop towards the golden pastures of high returns. So, how do they do this? Firstly, they understand that risk is a constant companion in the investment journey. It's not a question of if risk will show up, but when, and when it does, they're prepared. They understand that risk and reward are two sides of the same coin, and to achieve high rewards, they must be willing to take on high risk. But it's not about blind risk-taking. No, millionaire investors take calculated risks. They measure risk using various tools and metrics such as standard deviation, beta, and value at risk. These aren't just fancy terms, they're vital instruments that help investors gauge the level of risk they're taking on, allowing them to make informed decisions. And then comes the strategy of risk management. Successful investors know that it's not about eliminating risk, but managing it. They use various risk management strategies like stop-loss orders to limit their potential losses. They also use hedging strategies to protect their portfolios from market downturns. But perhaps the most effective tool in their risk management arsenal is diversification. By spreading their investments across a variety of assets, they ensure that the poor performance of one investment doesn't spell disaster for their entire portfolio. It's their way of not putting all their eggs in one basket. In essence, millionaire investors have turned the tables on risk. They've taken this seemingly daunting entity and turned it into a tool for wealth creation. They've embraced risk, and in doing so, they've unlocked the path to high returns. Remember, high rewards require taking calculated risks. Habit number 2, continuous learning. Millionaire investors never stop learning. Why is this important? Well, let's dive into this. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of successful investing. It's not just about reading a few investment books or attending a seminar. It's a lifelong commitment to expanding your knowledge, understanding market trends, and staying ahead of the curve. Imagine the world of investing as a vast ocean. Every day, new currents form, tides change, and unseen creatures lurk beneath the surface. As an investor, you are the captain of your ship. To navigate these waters successfully, you need an up-to-date map and a keen understanding of the ocean's behavior. Continuous learning provides you with this map and understanding. The financial markets are dynamic and constantly evolving. New investment vehicles emerge, regulations change, and economic conditions fluctuate. Without continuous learning, an investor may miss out on valuable opportunities or fail to recognize potential risks. But how do millionaire investors approach continuous learning? They dedicate time each day to educate themselves. They read financial news, analyze market reports, and study economic indicators. They also learn from their own experiences, whether they're successes or failures. Furthermore, millionaire investors understand the value of specialized knowledge. They often seek education in specific areas of investing, such as real estate, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. This specialized knowledge allows them to make informed decisions and capitalize on unique opportunities. Research plays a crucial role in this learning process. It involves digging deep into companies, markets, and investment vehicles to understand their potential. It's not just about crunching numbers, but also about understanding the bigger picture. What are the market trends? What factors could influence the investment's performance? How does this investment fit into the overall portfolio? Continuous learning also fosters adaptability. By staying informed, investors can adapt their strategies to changing market conditions. They can pivot when necessary, seize new opportunities, and mitigate risks. So the next time you think about investing, remember the importance of continuous learning. It's not just about making a quick buck, but about building a sustainable wealth-building strategy. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Habit number 3, long-term vision. Millionaire investors think in decades, not days. But why? Well, to understand this, let's dive into the world of investing. You see, most people are drawn towards the thrill of quick gains, the adrenaline rush of day trading. However, millionaire investors, they move to a different beat. They're not swayed by the siren song of immediate gratification. Instead, they prioritize long-term growth over short-term gains. Why, you ask? Because they understand an essential truth about wealth creation. It's a marathon, not a sprint. They comprehend the power of compounding, that magical phenomenon where your investments generate earnings, which are then reinvested to create even more earnings. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to exponential growth, turning a modest sum into a mountain of wealth. Think about some of the most successful investors in the world. Warren Buffett, for instance, didn't amass his billions by jumping in and out of stocks. No, he bought companies he believed in and held onto them for years, even decades. Or consider the story of Ronald Read, a janitor who left behind an estate worth $8 million. His secret? Investing in blue-chip stocks and holding on to them for the long haul. These examples illustrate the power of long-term investing. But it's not just about patience. It's about having a vision, a foresight to see the potential in a company or an idea before others do. It's about understanding market trends, technological advancements, and societal changes that could affect your investments. And most importantly, it's about not being swayed by the whims of the market. Millionaire investors know that markets will fluctuate, that there will be good days and bad days. But they remain steadfast, focused on their long-term vision, knowing that in the grand scheme of things, these daily fluctuations are mere blips. So if you want to grow your wealth, consider adopting this habit. Start thinking in decades, not days. Look beyond the immediate horizon and focus on the long game. Patience and foresight are key to growing your wealth. Habit number 4, network building. Millionaire investors build strong networks. But what's the benefit? Well, imagine having a personal sounding board, a group of individuals who not only understand your field, but can also provide insights and opportunities that you might not have been privy to otherwise. That's the power of a strong network. It's like having a team of experts at your disposal, ready to guide you, challenge you, and present you with new perspectives. In the world of investing, information is currency. The more you have, the better equipped you are to make sound decisions. This is where networking truly shines. It opens doors to insights that are not readily available to the public, giving you a competitive edge. But it's not just about receiving, it's also about giving. A strong network is built on mutual support. You provide your expertise, and in return, you gain the expertise of others. It's a symbiotic relationship that fosters growth and success. Moreover, a robust network can lead to partnerships. Collaborating with others can provide additional resources and capabilities that might accelerate your investing journey. And let's not forget the emotional support a strong network provides. Investing can be a lonely journey. Having a network gives you a sense of community, a group of individuals who understand the highs and lows, the triumphs and trials. Remember, your network is your net worth. Habit number 5, discipline. Millionaire investors swear by this, but what does it mean? Well, let's unravel this. Being disciplined in the world of investing is not just about ticking off tasks from your to-do list. It's about having the strength to stick to your investment strategies, even when the market takes an unexpected turn. It's about refraining from making impulsive decisions based on market rumors or short-term fluctuations. Imagine being on a roller coaster. It's thrilling, it's scary, but you need to stay put to enjoy the ride and get to the end safely. That's exactly what discipline in investing is like. It's the ability to stay put, to stick to your plan, even when things get a little bumpy. Discipline also plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced investment portfolio. It's easy to get swayed by the latest hot stock or a new investment trend, but a disciplined investor understands the importance of diversification and balance. They know that putting all their eggs in one basket is not a wise move. They appreciate the value of slow and steady growth. Discipline is about consistency. It's about making calculated investment decisions and sticking to them, come what may. It's about understanding that success in investing doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, resilience, and yes, a whole lot of discipline. So remember this, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. This is the mantra that millionaire investors live by, and so should you. So there you have it, the 5 game-changing habits of millionaire investors. It's not just about having money, it's about having the right mindset and habits. Firstly, embracing risk, not fearing it, because without taking risks, there's no reward. Secondly, the habit of continuous learning, because the world of investing is ever-changing, and staying up to date is vital. The third habit is having a long-term vision. Millionaire investors don't chase quick profits, they plan for the future. Fourthly, network building. Your network is your net worth, as they say. Connecting with the right people can open doors to opportunities that you wouldn't find otherwise. Lastly, discipline. It's the foundation of all successful investing. It's about sticking to your plan, even when the market is volatile. Adopt these habits, and you too could join the ranks of millionaire investors. Remember, investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Happy investing.